This guide will show you how to disassemble the 1TO3L barcode scanner to replace the mainboard or the skin engine. First, locate the 4 screws hidden under the top cover of the scanner. Use a screwdriver to remove all 4 screws. Next, gently lift off the top cover. Be careful here, there's a flexible ribbon cable connecting the cover to the mainboard. Unplug the power cable first. Then, find the 4 screws securing the mainboard and remove them. Once the screws are out, flip the board slightly. There are 2 more ribbon cables connected to the back. Carefully disconnect these cables. Now, you can lift the mainboard out of the scanner. The skin engine is attached to the mainboard with 2 screws. Remove those screws to release the skin engine. Remember to disconnect the ribbon cable linking the skin engine to the mainboard. At this point, the mainboard and skin engine are separated. Replace either part as needed. Now, let's reassemble. Attach the skin engine back onto the mainboard. Make sure the lens is positioned correctly and aligned with the screw holes. Tighten the screws to secure it. Reconnect the ribbon cable for the skin engine and adjust its position neatly. Then, reconnect the 2 ribbon cables that originally went to the mainboard. Place the mainboard back into its original position. Align the screw holes and tighten all screws securely. Align the screw holes and tighten all screws securely. Reconnect the power cord. Once the mainboard is fixed, put the top cover back on. Check around the edges to ensure there are no gaps or obstructions. Finally, screw the top cover into place. The replacement is now complete. Thank you for watching.